Hello, good day to you all across the world. I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. In today's video, I will be showing you how to earn 1.8% daily profit in this particular platform called Aeson Holding. So we want to know if 1.8% is possible. So I'll be reviewing this particular company called Aeson Holding in today's video. So how to earn 1.8%? Is it legit or a scam? Can we truly earn it, and what is the duration? And then how sustainable is the company? Or are they here to defraud us of our money, or they really mean what they said to be doing? So but before I continue with this, I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This video is brought to you courtesy of this channel, and this channel is all about financial education. So if you have any question concerning this video, you can contact me through this email address or through my WhatsApp contacts. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more announcements on several ways whereby you can make money online. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video, whenever I upload new trading videos like this. Alright, once again, what we are considering today is how to earn 1.8% daily profits on your investments through this company called Aeson Holding. So quickly, let us go to their platform. So this is their homepage, aesonholding.com. all right, so we are going to check some of the informations on their homepage before we go to the business presentation. I mean their PDF file. All right, so what we have here is changing the way the world invests, with nearly a decade of investment experience. Aeson understands the complex investment needs of investment managers and individuals through constantly changing financial markets. Okay, so leading the way with pioneering investment fund strategies. So these are the features of aesonholding.com, Aeson Holding Company. So these are their features: high performance, professional team, swift transaction, and client oriented. Because in any financial institution, in any online platform that deals with investors fund, all these features must be available, must be present in such company. The level of their performance must be rated high. It must be rated high, and they must have a professional team behind all of their operations to ensure that our funds are safe and secured. And also the rate of their transaction must be very, very fast. It must be swift to avoid any form of panic in the heart of their potential investors or their current investors. And client oriented, there must be a way whereby you can communicate, whereby you can express your dissatisfaction or your challenges with any of the supports. So these are the features of aesonholding.com. So let's check for more information about this company. We are world-class investment and asset management. I believe every investment company will surely say something positive about this to attract potential investors into their company. So we are not moved by this. So learn more. Our business presentation, our trade report. I will soon go to the business presentation because I have already downloaded it. So if you need a copy of this, you can contact me through the WhatsApp number so that I will send it to you personally. All right, and you can also watch the video presentation of Aeson Holding Company for more information on it. All right, so and one of the other things that it must be very, very available. One of the things that is very, very important that needs to be considered whenever you are going into any online investment is the team behind the company. That is the people in operation that are running the affairs of the company. They must be known. They mustn't provide us with anonymous identity. All right, as we can see here, these are the team behind this company. This is Lawrence Christian, David Green, Peter Van Cotham, and the rest. So they are in charge of the operation. So now financial well-being isn't about the size of paycheck. For years we've helped people like you grow this financial portfolio. So these are the investment packages. There are two investment packages in Aeson Holding. The first one is Pioneer Proposal and the second one is Innovative Proposal. So in that Pioneer Proposal, you'll be earning 1.8% offering 1.8% profit of your investment. And as you can see here, get started with just $100. Design your portfolio to suit your needs. Project availability 1.5 years. Maximize returns constructively. We diversify your capital across multiple deals. So these are the features of the first investment package, which offers 1.8% profit on daily basis for 1.5 years, and this is the minimum investment here is $100, and the second one offers 2.3% profit on daily basis, and the project is available. That is, the duration of this is 2.9 years. That is almost 3 years. So this is about the investment packages. So now let's check the business presentation. I have downloaded that one already. Let's check the business presentation for more information, because till now, I personally, if I'm watching this video for the first time, if I'm hearing about Aeson Holding for the first time, I am not attracted, or I have not been convinced to invest in such company without full information, without knowing how they trade, without knowing what they are using our fund for, our money for, without knowing how they are generating the profit that they promise to be paying on daily basis, without knowing how swift the withdrawal process is, or the mode of payment that is available. So these are the information, these are the data, these are the things that needs to be considered before we venture into any online investment. All right, so these are the this is their business presentation in PDF file. So if you need it, as I said earlier, you can contact me. I'm going to send a copy to you. It is available for everybody, and you can also download it on your own in their website. That is in their homepage. So because of this video, I may not be able to read out all the informations on this business presentation, because it is well detailed, it is well outlined, and it is filled with economic and financial terms, which may be very, very difficult for a layman to understand. So you just need to have a copy of this and read through to know what they are into. You can see they are into equity, they are into real estate, they are into cryptocurrency, they are into unlocking asset value by disrupting reduction of transaction cost. So it's like there are lots of economic terms that even myself am unable to decode, because of the level of understanding that I have about it. So just go about it, and you are going to understand better about what they are into. So they happens to be a very, very genuine and a legit site whereby you can make money online for yourself. And once again, I would like to tell you that LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, this channel is for financial education. So I'm just educating you on how you can earn money online. So you shouldn't take it for an advice. So you're also expected to do your own due diligence research, and you must be responsible for your action. So I'm just sharing with you some of the ways whereby you can make money for yourself, and this channel is for educational purpose. All right, so about Aeson, so this is their presentation in PDF file. You can see it is very, very lengthy. It is 43 pages. So it is 43 pages, so it is highly lengthy. So you can just go through it at your own leisure time to know if you are going to venture into it or not, to know how your money will work for you in the hands of Aeson Holding. So but I have so much testimonies about those people that have already invested in it, so much testimonies that they are doing well and they keep to their promises. So but you are expected to do your own due diligence research. You shouldn't just jump. You need to look before you leave. So it is very, very important for you. So that is all about Aeson Holding complete for now. So let's go to their platform again. All right, so this is one of their admin also. So and there are a lot of testimonies. So I will also like you to go to one of the sites whereby we review another site if truly they are legit or not. So this is Trustpilot. It is one of the sites whereby we use to check the legitimacy of another. So we check the how legit or how genuine another site is through this particular site, because there are some algorithms that they have been set in place to check, to read through a particular website to know if truly they are legit or they are just another fraudulent scam or another fraudulent investment site. So according to Trustpilot, this is their reviews and these are the outcomes. So they are rated 4.0 out of 5. They are rated 4.0, that is 4 star out of 5. So you can see that this is a great review from Trustpilot. And let's check the record, the reviews of those that have traded in it. So it's according to this person's on June 24, 2021. So let me read out this message. It's really wonderful. This platform has been the only platform that has given me a good trust for investing. So this is a good remark from this person. And let's check for another one here. It has been a year and 6 months now I joined Aeson holding company, and it has really been a blessing to me and my friends. God bless Aeson. And the third one says, after my experience with Aeson holding since 2018 till date, I have no doubt they are the leading asset management firm at the moment. I thank you for your swift response and transactions. Keep up, Aeson. Though those people that are giving this remark, we don't know who they are, we don't know, maybe they are still part of the company, but being on Trustpilot, I think the review is okay. So but this shouldn't be the only thing to consider before you go into any online investment. The first thing is that you need to know the team behind the company. The second thing is that you need to consider the profit, the ROI. Is it not over promising? 1.8% is still fair to me, based on my own understanding of online investment. It's still fair, but those companies that will be promising you like 5%, 10% on daily basis, you need to run away from them. They may be scamming in nature and fraudulent in nature. So but this one, they are just promising you 1.8, and you can check the durability. I mean the duration of the investment packages. The first one is 1.5 years, that is 1 year plus, and the other one is almost 3 years. So these are the things that we need to check. We need to know if truly they can serve on long-term basis or short-term basis. So these are things to consider whenever you are going into any online investment. So with this little information, you too can check, you can do some findings on your own. So, and if after you have considered it, and if after you have decided to join this company, then I will be dropping in the description box of this video the registration link, so that you can get started and start earning as soon as possible. So just check the description box of this video for the registration link to join the team and earn faster. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. If you are new on this channel, or if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. And if truly this video has added value to you, if truly it means it is helpful and useful to you, then like this video and share with your friends and family, so that they too can benefit from the information being shared here. All right, in the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye bye. Meet me in the next video.